Hello everyone and welcome to Profitable DIY Ideas. We're delighted to have you with us today. If you enjoy creative DIY projects, beautiful garden decorations, and affordable outdoor design ideas, you've come to the right place. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest DIY inspiration and home improvement ideas. Today's video is all about beautiful backyard ideas, creative garden decor, and simple DIY projects that can completely transform your outdoor space. Whether you have a large backyard, a small garden, or a cozy patio, there are countless ways to create a relaxing and beautiful environment without spending a lot of money. A backyard is much more than an outdoor area. It is a place where families gather, friends spend time together, children play, and peaceful moments are enjoyed. With thoughtful planning and a little creativity, any outdoor space can become a comfortable retreat that reflects your personal style. Outdoor seating is another important part of backyard design. A comfortable bench, a pair of chairs, or a small wooden table creates a relaxing place where you can enjoy your morning coffee, read a book, or spend time with family and friends. Adding colorful cushions and outdoor rugs makes the space even more inviting. Lighting is one of the simplest ways to create a beautiful evening atmosphere. Solar garden lights, hanging lanterns, and string lights provide soft illumination that highlights pathways, flower beds, and seating areas. A well-lit garden feels peaceful, cozy, and welcoming after sunset. A carefully designed garden pathway adds both beauty and function. Gravel, natural stones, bricks, or wooden stepping blocks guide visitors through the garden while creating structure and visual interest. Even a simple pathway can make your backyard feel professionally designed. Recycling is another wonderful way to decorate on a budget. Old wooden pallets, glass jars, tires, metal buckets, and unused furniture can all be transformed into creative garden decorations. Recycling not only saves money but also helps protect the environment by giving old materials a new purpose. When designing your garden, try to create balance between plants, decorations, and open spaces. Too many decorations can make a garden feel crowded, while a thoughtful arrangement creates harmony and allows every feature to stand out naturally. Every beautiful garden begins with a simple idea. You do not need to complete every project at once. Start with one flower bed, one handmade planter, or one seating area, then continue improving your backyard little by little. Over time, these small changes create an outdoor space you can truly enjoy. Gardening and DIY projects are also wonderful hobbies that encourage creativity and reduce stress. Spending time outdoors, planting flowers, and building handmade decorations brings satisfaction and creates lasting memories with family and friends. Remember that your garden should reflect your personality. Whether you prefer modern landscaping, rustic decorations, colorful flowers, or natural wood accents, every design choice helps tell your unique story. The most beautiful gardens are those created with care, imagination, and love. We hope today's backyard and garden decorating ideas inspire you to begin your own outdoor transformation. Every small project is an opportunity to create a more beautiful, comfortable, and enjoyable outdoor living space. Thank you so much for watching Profitable DIY Ideas. We truly appreciate your support. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest DIY garden projects, backyard decorating ideas, outdoor design inspiration, and creative home improvement tips.